Park, Belcher Hill. A little chilly. Oh, baby deers.
The exciting part about today is I'm not alone. Madison decided to join me today on my ride, and she's making her way up now. Now, if you know Madison, she's not a climber. She will never admit to being a climber. She didn't even have a bike to ride trails last year. She just strictly had a downhill bike. Some of you may know, if you follow along on social media, that Madison and I are now riding pivots this year. Madison just got her new Mach 6 a few weeks ago now, and there's something about it, I tell you. She is she's turned into a climbing machine. So the next clip you'll see is Madison getting up here to the very top of Belcher Hill. We're gonna check how her attitude is, but I think it's gonna be good. You made it!
Made it.
Top of the hill.
Came out once, it took us, or twice, it took a small break. Dabbed once. Look at my nerd gap in there.
That just means you're climbing good.
Alright, let's go. Haven't been out here in like solid year, maybe longer. I haven't had a trail bike since a year. So see if I remember this trail. Probably won't, but alright. Take it easy. Remember it for the next time. Go through it. Which hopefully won't take too long to thaw out after that 5 feet of snow that's expected this weekend. Oh no. Oh, I don't like pedaling. Can't feel my fingers. Didn't remember that one. More ice. Yeah. Woo! Not a fan. So we'll take it easy. For some reason I do not remember this part of the trail. Probably because it's covered in snow. I'm not used to it. Walk this. Thank you. A little scared of it. Don't know what's to come. I don't remember this trail one bit. So I'm not gonna try to even remotely hang scared. Woo! Especially with it being wet and it's getting a little icy. Bike is so good. Woo, ice. I probably look like I'm just putting away in this video, but whatever. Woo. Rap, 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 rap. Don't know why I'm making it. One day I'll get a better video for you, a little bit faster. I really don't remember this. Oh, mud, ice. Looks like we're gonna be climbing a little bit. But, usually it goes faster here. You're waiting for me, but I guess I was wrong. Hands are freezing. Sucks. Gotta be careful of deer. I'm seeing a lot of deer. I don't know, I just stopped for that. Thought it was gonna be crazy. Been seeing a lot of deers out here on the trail, on the climb up, so can't forget about those. Right there, right there. A little steep. Lean back. Just over here talking to the camera, riding slow. Woo! Oh, I hate this section. Climbed back up. Now we got a little bit more downhill section to go. A little fun, flowy little section. Usually there's a lot of hikers through here, so you gotta keep it slow, but I think right now it's clear. Just jump that. Not just this trail. Do a little berm crack. Jump. Ooh. Compared to that corner. park out that thing. Sorry about my sniffles, it's really cold. It's making me really sniffly. This is part of the trail that you climb up if you don't know. So a lot of times you have hikers and bikers climbing, so it's hard to go fast. So when you can, it's quite fun. Except I don't remember the trail. Ever. My fingers are cold. Yeah, I'm not doing that way. This spot right on the stupid skinnies. I'm terrified of stupid skinnies. It's a little bumpy. It's all good. Not even, well, maybe I'll go try. Oh. Nope. Sometimes I hate going second because I can't see what's coming. Yeah, double. Ooh, rock, tree, hitting everything. It's alright. Sure, just manually into them. Show off. No idea. And I'm getting a phone call. Heather, if you watch this, I'm in the middle of a ride. And you're calling me. I hate this section. So many large rocks. Climb is terrible. And I'm not about falling and like scratching my bike. So we're down through it. Oh! Yep, Heather's still calling me. Thanks for FaceTiming. Woo! Almost fell. It's enough video.